Oil products have been used for centuries to control pest problems in landscape plants, and they have several benefits. Basically, these are just oils, so they're very safe for humans to use and spray. They're very non-toxic to wildlife and birds and pets. They also have very little impact on non-target insects like beneficials or pollinators, but they can provide good control for the insects that we're trying to use them against, which would be things like scales, spider mites, aphids, adelgids, mealybugs, and more. Now, there can be some confusing terminology when you start talking about oil products. One of the oldest terms that you might run across is the term dormant oil. There used to be oil products that were not very highly refined. They still contained a fair amount of impurities in them, and if they were sprayed on plants with green foliage, they would cause burning of the leaves. And so the term dormant oil was used because that's when the products were applied, was when the plant was dormant and had no green foliage. Now, other terms that you might run across would be a superior oil. Now, a superior oil is a product that has been very highly refined and has removed most all of the impurities that would cause any type of phytotoxic symptoms in a plant. These products, superior oils, can be applied during the winter dormant season or during the summer when plants have foliage on them. Another term that you might run across would be a supreme oil. Supreme oil, the terminology is very similar to superior oil. You might also hear the term summer oil, which really goes more to when the product is applied. But again, a summer oil is generally going to be a very highly refined product that can be applied when plants have foliage. And then, of course, there's brand names. Sunspray oil or Volk oil or ultra fine oil are very common brand names that you'll see in the industry. These products that I have in front of me, this is a product from Bonide, all-season horticultural and dormant oil. Now, this means that this is a very highly refined product, and it can be applied when plants have foliage, but it can also be used during the dormant season too. Okay. This happens to be a concentrate. This happens to be a ready-use product. Which is ready for you to spray on your plants. Okay. So when you're applying a horticultural oil, the best time to make that application is going to be in the late winter, which would be February, March timeframe. So if we're going after something like an overwintering scale or overwintering spider mites, we can spray this product on the plant, and the oil is going to kill the insect in a couple of different ways. One way, it might block up the breathing openings so that the insect actually suffocates. It can disrupt metabolism within the insect and cause the insect to die that way too. When you're using a horticultural oil, it's very unlikely that you're ever going to have any resistance developing amongst the pest population to the horticultural oil because they're killing the insect in a mechanical way rather than through a chemical method with some of the other insecticides that we might use. A couple of things about horticultural oils to keep in mind. When you spray the product on the plant, you need to use a good amount of water. If you're working on a plant that's maybe 20 feet or so in height, you're probably going to need to use at least 4 gallons of water. The more water you use, the better coverage you're going to get on the plant. Because remember, you have to get this oil product down into all the little bark cracks and crevices where these insects are hiding. Another thing is that when you make this application, it's going to cause the bark to turn a little bit darker color. That's one of the reasons why we make these applications so late in the season, is because when the buds are that darker color, they tend to lose their winter hardiness a little faster, which can make the flower buds emerge sooner. And we don't, of course, want to make our plants susceptible to cold damage. So wait as long as possible to make those late dormant season applications. Now, what are the insects that we're going after? Again, spider mites on deciduous plants or even spruce spider mite. But keep in mind, one other caveat about oil products is that the oil will remove the blue coloration from plants like Colorado blue spruce. It removes that waxy surface, which gives the needles their bluish color. But your new growth that comes on after the oil application will be blue again. Okay. We can also use it against various types of scale, oyster shell scale being one of the biggest ones we worry about, aphids, adelgids, mealybugs, and other insects. So oil products are a great product to use to keep your pesticide applications as safe as you can in the landscape and still control those insects. If this video was helpful to you, consider visiting our YouTube page and look at more of our Backyard Farmer videos. Give us a like if you can, or subscribe to the channel. Spread the word to friends and family, share videos with them so that they can enjoy all of this great Backyard Farmer content as well.